Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll try to solve this problem. So this problem came in AMC 10 this year 2022. So for reference I'm writing down the number AMC 10B, problem number 4. Okay, so let us read the problem. A donkey suffers an attack of hiccups. Then the first hiccups happened at 1 afternoon. Okay, 4 o'clock 1 afternoon. Suppose that the donkey's hiccups regularly every 5 seconds. At what time does the donkey's 700th hiccup occur? Right. Okay, so every 5 seconds it will take for the regularly hiccup. So the next hiccup is so suppose at t is the time, then the next hiccup is t plus 5. So if it t is, we are considering at seconds, right? Okay, so right, so for example 4 o'clock is the first hiccup. So then the second one will be after 5 seconds, so it will be not be visible here, right? Because it is in minutes. Okay, so after in 1 minute we have 60 seconds, right? So how many hiccups will be there? So 60 seconds divided by 5 seconds, right? So this is 12. So in 1 minute, so there are 12 hiccups. So we can actually divide it. So here 4 plus 5 seconds, we have the second hiccup, right? Okay, so 12 hiccups we can have in every minute. So actually we can do modulo 12. Let us see what comes. So 700, I want to find modulo 12, then we can remove a huge chunk from here, right? So let me try to calculate what is 700 mod 12, right? Mod 1 2. So here it is 4. So this is 4. So and how many minutes are there? So it's 12. So if I do 700 minus 4, so it is 696, and it is divided by 12, so it is 58. Okay, so it's 58 into 12. Okay, so we can write 700 as 58 into 12 plus 4, right? So what you can see is, so from this we can say that 58 minutes went past 58 minutes and 4 hiccups, right? So 4 hiccups means we have 4 into how many seconds? 5 seconds, right? So so note that all 4 hiccups are not there because the first hiccup has already been counted, right? That is the first floor. So we have 3 hiccups actually. So at 4 o'clock we have the first hiccup. So 4, after that 58 minutes we have, and then we have 3 hiccups. So 3 hiccups we have how many into 5 for each hiccup? So 15 seconds, right? So 58 minutes and 50 seconds. So it will be 15 seconds after 4:58, right? So according to me this is the answer. Okay, so if I think we can use some shapes. Okay, otherwise, okay, that's fine. So it's So 15 seconds after 4.5. So let us go see the options. Yes, so you can see part A. So sorry, options A. So this one will work. So it is 15 seconds after 4:58. So this is the correct. So let me check it. I think this is the correct one. Yes, I matched with the answer key. It is the correct one. Okay. So I'll stop the video here. We'll come up with more videos like these problems. So meet you in the next video. Thanks.